Step 1. Grab your mobile phone and download the apps. Step 2. Start using the apps by following my simple instructions. Step 3. Collect your earnings and cash out via PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, Payoneer, Paytm, Payer, bank transfers, and more. Then repeat the steps to generate $300 up to $1,000 in cash with minimal work and no experience. These apps are 100% free, which implies that you don't have to invest any cash at all to get started. And it's widely available in all countries worldwide. So stay tuned and watch until the end for lots of exclusive bonus tips throughout the entire video because they will help you earn even more money compared to other people. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Before we start, if you like our videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and thumbs up button and share it with others. So make sure you stay until the end. Now let's get into the video. Now the first step that will pay you real money online is Big Time Cash. Now make sure you stick with me until the end of this video because I will show you 2 more apps where you can earn good money online easily without any skills. The real secret is to combine all 3 of them to maximize your earnings potential. Now, before we dive into all the details, let me quickly show you these are other people who are actively and also consistently earning money on this app. Take a look at this. $2,850, $2,730. So there are many people. The entire list of the actual users who are currently making money online on this app. And I could go on, and there are a few pages over right here. When I click this down button, I can load even more results. Now this is how it works. You get paid by playing some simple mobile games. First of all, you either visit the official website or download the app on your Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. But if you are using an iPhone, you can download the same app on your App Store as well. Now leave a comment down below and let me know whether you use an Android phone or an iPhone. For this website, you will need 3 simple steps to start earning money. Step 1. You have to find different games to play in this app and then you need to accumulate tickets which you can convert into real money. Step 2. The more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes. Step 3. When the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and the winner is drawn. Just a moment, I will show you exactly on which game you need to focus on to make the most amount of cash in the fastest time possible. So, when we go over to Google Play Store and demo, this app is Big Time Cash, make money free. There are over 209,000 members now and the logo of this app looks like this. Make sure you download the right one and then as you can see here, over 4.3 stars. This is a very good rating and there is a lot of good reviews as well. Once you have completed playing games, they will provide you tickets here and you need to collect them. Then you can convert the tickets into real cash and you can withdraw them into your PayPal account, bank account, cryptocurrency, Payoneer, and there are so numerous ways to withdraw your earnings. Now drop a comment down below and let me know which payment techniques you are using in your country now. Let me show you some examples of the games you can play on this app and then I will show you which one you must focus on to make one of the most money. They are pretty interesting as well with several options and you can get paid at the same time of enjoying the game. Isn't that awesome? So that's how it works. Now pay close attention because many people are wasting a lot of time playing multiple games on this website without focusing on the right one. But I think you need to concentrate on just 1 or 2 highest paying games to get started with and that's the ultimate secret. Now the name of the game that you should concentrate on is Galactic Gateway. When you focus on one game, they will give you more tickets faster. When you have the much tickets, the even more cash you can make. So from my personal experience, Galactic Gateway is the best and easiest way to get paid on this app. Now moving on to the second app, which will pay you real money. When you come over to this website, Pogo, you can register for free. Now I will show you how to sign up for free and a global account in just a moment. Also, I want to show you some games that you can play on this website and make money. As you can see here, this website has many more games that you can play and there are many different categories when you notice on the top of the website. When you click on games, you will find different games to play and make money online. Now for this particular website, you need to focus on poker and solitary games. These are the two most popular categories that can make you the most amount of money. Get concentrated on the categories of solitaire and poker cards. When you click this, they will show you more details about the game and how to play it. They show you some tutorials and videos to win the games as well. The even more games you win, the more bonus cash you can make. But the coolest thing is that if you lose the game, you still make decent amount of money and there is no skill required. Once you have learned how to play the games using the tutorial, click on play now and you can enter into the game when you click on play. Now they will show you that you will need to wait until the ads finish running. Then you can start playing the games on your phone or computer. So now take a look at this essential part. When you go to Pogisa's Constellation, this can make even more bonus money. The extra key is this website gives you an offer to join them for 30 days challenge. Now go over to the top of this website and they have a different challenge, or you can play the games for 30 days. When you log into the website, they will show your progress. When you log in every day, the point lights up. When you complete 30 days of the challenge, they will give you a bonus point and a bonus Pogis. The point on this website is called Pogis Point. Once you have earned enough Pogis Point, they will give you higher tiers earnings and you can exchange them into real cash. Now real quick, let me show you some of the tiers that we can achieve after you complete the challenge. For example, tier 1 will give you 200 Pogis point and tier 2 will provide you 600 Pogis point and tier 3 will give you 600 Pogis point. These all are the extra money if you join a challenge for 30 days. Now there are many challenges to join this website to make more Pogis point. For example, this one will give you another 100 points, 100 points and 400 points. Also, there is a limitation like 15 hours left and this one 3 days left. So when you join each of these extra challenges, they will give you extra Pogis point and you will find even more challenges. When you go down below, there's 300 points, 400 points, 600 points and you can keep on scoring them and browsing and you can find even more challenges to do. You can click browse or challenges to find more challenges to earn extra Pogis point. When you combine these two, you can earn more points to convert into actual cash. Again, make sure to focus on games like poker, solitaire and these are all the games to pay you the most amount of points. So if you want to sign up and register for a free account, go ahead and click on this register. Click on this button on the top right hand corner and you will go over to this page where you can create a free account to access all the games on this website. When you click on the country and region, they will accept every country in the world. Now leave a comment below and let me know what your country is, where you are coming from. Once again, this is why all the countries are on this list right here and then you will put in your date of birth and pick up this one right here and click onto the next button. This is where you can sign up for a free account, playing different games on this website and do extra challenges to earn more Pogis point. Now the third app and website that you can make money online is called getpaid2.com. Now on this website, click the blue button join free today and you will come over to this page. You can put in your username, password, email address and this one the country. They are generally accepting all countries in the world as well. Now once you do this, click on I'm not a robot, I agree and complete registration. It's a very simple process. Once you sign up, you will find many different games to play to make money and every single game that you play, you can earn on average about $1 up to $3. Now, several of the games they will pay you more money, the few of them they will pay you lesser money. Make sure you play the games that pay you the most amount of money. You can now cash out your earnings through bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card, PayPal money and even a lot more other options on this website. And they will pay you within the first day, which is 24 hours and you can receive all of your money. And that's it for today. If you get value out of this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell button and share it with people. Leave a comment down below on how much money you make after watching this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.